So this is our humble home.
Johanna Garcia has been living with her 4-year-old daughter and 11-month-old son in a homeless shelter in the Morrisania section of the Bronx for about a year.
It's something even more to worry about and keeping my children healthy.
They live in a no-cooking shelter, so all 45 families there share one microwave. The Department of Homeless Services says its first shipment of face coverings for residents just came in this week.
There are some that you see with gloves, for the most part, not so much.
Their room has a mini fridge, which means almost daily trips to the grocery store.
We're on the bus now on our way back.
And these days, it's harder to find cheap, non-perishable food.
Since the pandemic has started, that's the first thing that people aim for, but that's part of my daily grocery shopping.
They don't have a computer, so Abby's been using her mom's cell phone for preschool. Even though public schools haven't been open since mid-March, the City Department of Education says it still has to ship at least 3,000 remote learning devices to students who requested them.
It's very stressful.
Joanna is a sophomore at Metropolitan College, so when her phone isn't a preschool, she's using it for her bachelor's degree.
The load of work that I would have to do just to complete a semester full-time compared to having the extra time previously where I had childcare in place.
She fears the pandemic has set her back from graduating on time.
I wanted to afford to be able to get us out of here and better my life situation for my children is devastating.
Right now, there are 58,000 people living in New York City homeless shelters, and families make up 70% of the people in shelters. The city says it's proactively transferring people from larger shelters to smaller rooms and hospitalizing or isolating the more than 600 shelter residents who've tested positive.
We're holding up okay. At least as okay as we can.
For now, this family is thankful for their health, but worried for their future. From the Morrisania section of the Bronx, Bauman, CBS 2 News.